Alright guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today in the news, Solana powered AMM Radium proposes sushi swap integration to reduce fees. Right? Solana, like I've said before, is one of the blockchains I've been reading about lately, and I simply like what they're doing, and I hope they succeed in the future. But of course, they still have a lot of things to implement, but so far they are doing good. And the only issue I have with Solana is the fact that they have fees, right? I don't respect blockchains that have fees, right? Feeless blockchains are the future, right? But what I mainly want to talk about today is how banks will start adopting crypto. I posted something on Facebook the other day. I said the banks need cryptocurrency to survive, and that is so true. I'm gonna show something that happened several years ago. All right, so this is the news right here. JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon says Bitcoin is a fraud that will eventually blow up. So when did this news come out? In 2017. In 2017. Now let's fast forward to 2021 and see what's happening. All right, before we fast forward, let's see what Warren Buffett said about Bitcoin several years ago. Now, Warren Buffett says Bitcoin is rat poison. You see? Now, what these guys did was Bitcoin came out and everybody started using Bitcoin, and instead of them to sit down, read about this technology and see how they can use it for their financial services, no, they started by attacking it, right? So we've seen what JPMorgan said, right? He called it a fraud, right? And guess what is happening in 2021? State Bank of India joins JPMorgan's blockchain payments network. You see? But several years ago, this same guy called Bitcoin and the entire crypto space and the blockchain space useless and fraud. And guess what? A major government-owned bank, the State Bank of India, has become the first Indian bank to join JPMorgan's blockchain network. You see? But guess what? India was one of the countries that was banning its citizens from using cryptocurrency. Now, the reason why they were doing all that is because they know if the people get to know how sovereign cryptocurrencies, or should I say how independent cryptocurrencies are, the government will lose power over the people, right? They won't be able to tax. But, I think they took the wrong step, the wrong route, because you threaten the people not to use this stuff, and they'll be like, hey, why are you stopping us from using this thing? Let me go find out what this thing is. Right. In related news, major Asian banks unite to form multiple CBDC. CBDC means central bank digital currency, packed on a blockchain. Right. So they've all started using blockchain now. But they were once fighting the same blockchain. Right, so let's read. Adopt the multiple central bank currency bridge, or MBCBCC. The project sees the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, the Bank of Thailand, the Central Bank of course, United Arab Emirates will always be in the spotlight when it comes to innovation in cryptocurrency, in blockchain, and in spacecraft. Now, also in a related news with United Arab Emirates, United Arab Emirates chase crypto and blockchain adoption. UAE regulators are looking to develop a comprehensive crypto governance framework as part of its 2021 business agenda. This is a country that is thinking ahead. If you ask anyone from the tech and startup sector anywhere in the world about the speed of regulations of the authorities, you will get the same answer. It could definitely be faster. However, UAE has always been a pioneer in the adoption of new technologies and building supports regulatory frameworks for their development. You see, the UAE already has the base at a time when many countries are still struggling to formulate comprehensive strategies to adopt crypto enabled technologies as streamlined fashion, with some even looking to implement blanket bans. I like that, such as Nigerian government. The UAE is seemingly laying the foundation for digital ecosystem. Providing his insights on the subject, Mohammed Abbas, project manager of the DeFi Startup Accelerator, co-host of Dubai Global DeFi Conference, I'm going to open that up in a new tab, told Cointelegraph that many projects such as decentralized ride-sharing platform drive and blockchain-based fantasy sports ecosystem DeFi 11 have been able to attract interest from the private offices of UAE's former royal families. Anyways, point is, the government of Dubai are going big time into blockchain. Now I'm asking myself, what are the people in Africa doing? See, we're getting to a point where cash becomes obsolete, and then 1 billion people around the world will be able to have money in their mobile phone. Your phone becomes your bank, right? We have a news like that right here. It says 1 billion people will store life savings on their mobile phone in Bitcoin by 2026. It's going to happen. This is the future. Anyways, let's move ahead. The Global DeFi Congress by Agora Group on February 10 in Dubai. Guy, Dubai is heating up, man. Dubai is heating up. Okay, this actually happened on the 10th, and I'm just bringing it up right now because I'm gonna be sharing some really important things about cryptocurrency and blockchain that is happening in Dubai. But you have to subscribe to the channel and like this video so you can keep getting updates on what is going on, the next big thing that is happening in blockchain, and how you can, key in real big. All right, see ya.